Okay, so I just stumbled upon this ultra-lightweight AI agent in C that can execute shell commands. Like, how crazy is that?
Wait, seriously. An AI written in C. That's pretty unexpected, considering most AI tools are built on higher-level languages.
Right, but I guess that opens up so many possibilities. I mean, it's only 4.4 KB on macOS. How is that even possible?
It's impressive. The optimized binaries and memory management really play a role, but does smaller mean less capable?
Good point, but think about it this way. If it can run shell commands efficiently, what everyday applications could benefit from that?
Totally. Imagine automating mundane tasks without the bloat usually associated with AI. But wouldn't there be limitations?
Absolutely, like does it sacrifice performance for size? I'm trying to wrap my head around that balance.
Well, smaller can sometimes mean less capable. The AI's depth could be limited, but it could shine in specific tasks.
Like a Swiss Army knife, great in small tasks but not a specialist, that's a fascinating analogy.
Yes, and here's the kicker. It's cross-platform, so it can run on both macOS and Linux. Does that change our view?
It does, but how does compatibility factor in with performance? Are we really getting the best of both worlds?
That's an interesting concern. Cross-platform functionality can create some performance trade-offs, potentially.
Also, what's the security like? Since it executes shell commands, isn't that a massive risk?
Definitely. The agent's design can expose vulnerabilities if not used correctly. Security is paramount in AI execution.
Right, so could this lead to misuse? I mean, there's potential, but how do we guard against that?
Education on responsible usage is key. But there's also that balance between innovation and potential harm to consider.
Interesting, it's like every step forward comes with an equal but opposite concern, right?
Exactly. This pushes the envelope on what we can achieve, yet creates ethical questions. Can we really keep up?
And that makes me think, how does that relate to larger trends we're seeing in AI? It feels interconnected.
So true, we're at a crossroads where technical advancement meets societal impact. It's both exciting and daunting.
I never thought about it this way. It's like, are we innovating for convenience or just creating more complexity?
Well, that's a critical question. If everything gets easier, do we lose some fundamental understanding?
Wait, how does that relate to the shrinking learning curves? Are we expecting too much from tech?
Precisely. If we make things too user-friendly, we risk people becoming detached from the technology itself.
That's fascinating. So what's the responsibility of developers in this case? Should they aim for simplicity?
Absolutely. But simplicity shouldn't come at the cost of educational value. They need to strike that balance.
I can see how that might be a real challenge. And what happens if things go wrong?
Well, that's where accountability steps in, right? If we mess up, we need a framework for addressing it.
Interesting, it's like the idea of AI ethics being just as important as the tech itself, a whole new realm.
Indeed, the ethical implications can't be an afterthought. They should be central to any AI project.
So if we wrap this all up, are we saying that this ultra-lightweight AI could be revolutionary but risky?
Exactly. It could streamline processes but requires a mindful approach on security and ethical standards.
And that leaves us with a big question. Can we responsibly innovate while ensuring safety?
That's the million-dollar question. It'll be interesting to see how the community handles these challenges.
You see what I mean? It's like we're on the cusp of something amazing, yet kind of terrifying.
Exactly. The duality of progress is fascinating. Let's keep this conversation going. There's so much more to explore.